Here I've got INFINIX Hot 9, and let me show you how to change the video quality on the following device, how to update video resolution. So first of all, you need to open the camera app and move to video mode. Tap on the settings, and here you'll notice video quality. Mark it, and you can smoothly pick the one in which you would like to record. And that's it. Whichever you will pick, it will be immediately after that be applied to your device, and you will be able to record in this video mode. You can see notification right here, and also smoothly by tapping you can change it in the right upper corner. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.